Hey guys, this is a quick look unboxing review at the Alxum 10 port 96 watt charger. Each USB is 2.4 amp and you have two quick charge 3.0s. Will it be good? We shall see. For those of you that are new to this channel, I do skateboarding and product reviews. I'm a top-ranked Amazon reviewer, and I do a lot of unboxing, quick looks, and review. If anything here was entertaining or you found helpful, please hit that like and subscribe button, and that'll be greatly appreciated. So today we're taking a look at the Alxum 96 watt 10 port USB charging station, and it can charge 10 devices all at the same time, and it's just nice to have on a table, especially if you have a family and a lot of devices, phones, iPads, and whatnot. So let's open it up. Big honkin' AC adapter brick, user manual, and you have your individual slats that, divide up the different leaning devices. Now, the other ones of these types of devices I've used before, these things are very flimsy and they flap around. So we shall see if they are strong and hold up to the test of time and your heavy devices with their cases. All right, so let's take a look at the main unit. So pretty nice PSP Sony looking shiny black piano material. You have your vents on the other side. All of your USB, I like how they put that there to show you that you are getting a relatively standard charging amount that all of your devices can benefit from. And you have your two quick charge 3.0 ports. You have non-grips on the bottom, so let's give it a slip test. Pretty decent. And the connector for the power is right over here. So let's install some of these slats. Looks pretty modular, so you can kind of put them wherever you want. So they are vents and slat holes. So if you have, a cell phone or an iPad with a case, you just spread them out wider. So let's see how strong they are. So they give you different sizes here. These two little ones could come in handy depending on the device. Maybe you don't want something so deep down if it's small, like AirPods or something. Maybe you want them, relatively lower down. This is the small ones, and these are the large ones. They seem pretty rock solid. I'm not too worried about things leaning or busting, so that is good to hear. One of the reasons why my wife and I didn't stick with the one of this device that we had, not from this company, another one, is these slats would fall out and the iPad would just push them out. So this product seemed to address that issue. These seem very solid and they are in pretty deep. One downside of this product is they don't include any USB cables, so it's kind of up to you, but I do kind of like that because the last company's USB cables that they included were kind of cheap. So right now in this guy, I have 3 iPads. It's 1, 2, 3, and 1 iPhone. Now, if you guys are gonna get a device like this, you definitely wanna get USBs that are short, so you don't have all this clanky wire, or one of those ones that pull and expand back like self-retracting. So yeah, pretty nice. These things don't move around. Like, you can have them wider if you want, or you can have them more snug. I like it so they don't have to be jammed in. But yeah, pretty strong. These things are not coming out, and yeah, pretty awesome. Definitely worth checking out. The other cool thing is for the extra slats, if you're not using them, what I did was I put them all here, so just in case you wanted to add more, you're not looking for these in a bin or a drawer. So once again, guys, that's the Alxum 96 watt 10 port USB charging station. Looks pretty tough, rugged, and raw, built to last. Lots of options here, very strong, does not slip. Worth checking out. Have a great day.